Hello and welcome to The Lazy Gardener. Today I show you how to revitalise those old pots from last year and give them nice fresh healthy compost for the next growing season. Alright, let's get started.
Some people dream of good things, very few people stay awake and do them. People dream of good things.
Okay, the first thing I do is put down some granular fertiliser such as chicken manure, and then I put on a new mix of multi-purpose compost and perlite with some blood and fishbone fertiliser mixed up in it, just flattening it out over the old compost. No need to dig it in. Wonderful, just getting out the little lumps. This is a great medium to grow in. So today I've decided that I'm going to sow some lettuce seeds. This is just mixed lettuce. I sow them quite thickly because I only want the baby leaves, and ruffle them in. Make sure I label it because I will forget. There's a bug on the screen. Right, now I water them in really well. This is great new compost, so there will be no problems growing them this thickly, and I harvest them before they even think about making heads. And I make sure that I keep the water very moist, but free draining until the seedlings pop through. This will take only a few days with this weather. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.